Hello everyone, I am Siddhi Barkare and today's my topic for discussion is on what is actually clinical data management. So clinical data management, it itself called as clinical means what are the clinical trials. Clinical means clinical trials. Data means that there is something much more information that is stored in the form of data. And management means what are the clinical trials, whatever the information is gathered in the form of data, then we are going to manage it in a proper way. So, in simple, clinical data management it is involved in all aspects of the processing the clinical trial with the range and whatever the formation, what are the actual the data related to the clinical trials that all we are maintaining in this clinical trial, in this clinical data management. It involves the processing the clinical data, working with a range of computer application database system by using the database system to support collection and cleaning and management of subject or a trial data. Now we will see in detail what is actually clinical, what it includes. It includes the clinical trial data. The clinical data management is the collection, integration, and validation of clinical trial data. During the clinical trial, the investigator collect on the patient's health of the um, defined information, which is much more related. This data sent to the trial sponsor, who then analyze the pool data using the statistical analysis. Now, moving toward the next, what is the role of clinical data management? So, clinical data management, it is nothing but the review and approval of a new drug by the regulatory agencies. It depend upon the trust that clinical trial data present of a sufficient integrity to ensure confidence in results and conclusion presented by the pharma company. Important to obtain that trust, adherence to the quality standards and practices are maintained. Hence, company must assure that all the staff involved in the clinical research are trained, qualified, and perform data management task is a valid. Next is about what is actually in the clinic. What are the actually we have discussed what is actually the CDM, what is the role. Now moving toward what are the key members of the involved in the clinical data management. So there is a project manager or a data manager who make the project and related to the clinical trials and the what are their challenges and what are they going to present and during the clinical trials, for to start a trials on a human being. So they are making the projects so that what are their ideas for further clinical trials. That is, it contains the informations that means it contains the protocols. Next is database administrator. Next is database programmer or developer and clinical data associate. These are some key members which play an important role during this responsibilities of clinical trial data means for following the responsibilities of clinical trial data management. Now moving toward what are the responsibilities of clinical data management. So there are different responsibilities of clinical data management. So first is study setup. In this, CRF design the development in the form of paper. Then database built in testing. Next is edit check prescription. Next is study conduct. In this there is data entry, description management, overview, data overview, and next is assay, serious adverse event reactions reporting. Next is data transfer. And third responsibilities is study checkout. In this there is a serious adverse reactions study is checked, then quality control, database log, and electronic activity and database transfer. This all these things is studies in this clinical data management role. Now moving toward what are the actual next that we will see about the that what are the various various terms used in clinical data management. So in this clinical data management, we are managing all the data which is include and next there are all the information which is present in the form of protocols. That protocols contain the various further whatever the further plans for the clinical trials. So what they are using, what are their further future clinical trial plans, that all are mentioned in a proper manner. So I hope you should understand what is actually the clinical data management, what are the key members, what are the role of their why CDM is important. Next, what are the responsibilities of the clinical data management. That all these things I think I have covered, and I hope that you should understand. Here is the end of my video. Thank you.